Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your quotes so customers can't make changes. Let's get right into it. First things first, head over to your dashboard and locate the Settings menu. Click on it to open the Settings options. Next, click on General. Hover over the Store Options section. This will bring up a variety of general settings for your store. Scroll down until you find the Quote section. Once you see the Quote section, click the plus sign icon to expand it. This will reveal more detailed settings. The option says, do you want to allow customer to modify quote? Make sure you select No to ensure that customers cannot modify their quote after it's been given. This means they have to book the service exactly as it was initially quoted. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom left corner of the page to apply these changes. This is crucial to make sure your settings are updated. And that's it! You've successfully secured your quotes, ensuring your customers can't change their prices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. We'd love to help out.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.